What's the difference between success and failure on the keto diet? Two women, each 41, tried the keto diet. One shed several pounds in a week by eating perfectly. But then she went out and drank a margarita. And it was downhill from there. The second woman was also strict at first. She lost a few pounds the first week. And also went out to eat, but somehow nothing derailed her. She lost 11 pounds. In 14 days. And felt unstoppable. There were no slip-ups and she was down 21 pounds within 4 weeks. So what made the difference? Most people on a new diet have no plan. They learn what to eat. And not to eat. They try new recipes. But they don't have a daily plan to carry them through that critical first month. Without a plan, it's too easy to fall for peer pressure. To be unprepared. And to make bad decisions. So why do it? We've guided over 416,387 people to success. Simply follow this plan and you will succeed. The 28-Day Keto Challenge is a well-crafted plan that gets you through your first month. You're never left to figure things out on your own. Nothing is left to chance. Our 28-day meal plan guides you every step of the way. And it's more than a plan. It's also a challenge. It's designed to stretch you. And see what you're made of. With our help, you'll be unstoppable. It's time to take the 28-Day Keto Challenge. Click the link now and get our 28-day meal plan and 10 expert guides to educate and inspire you. Click the link for a slimmer, healthier you. Act now.